everyone. Today we are going to discuss exercise 5.3 question number 2. Find the sums given below. Here the following APs are given: 7 plus 10 half plus 14 plus ... plus 84. According to this question, we have to find out the value of S, that is what? Sum. So to find out this solution, so for solving this problem, this is the main formula. Here S is the word sum of the n term, n equal to number of terms, A is the word first term, and L is what? Last term. So question number 2, find the sums given below. A question to solve koribo karone jehetu amak main formula lagibo, a main formula to hobo S equal to n by 2 A plus L. L mane hol sum of the n term, n hol number of term yet kiman number of term dia ase, L hobo last term. So last jiman value kiman value dia ase hetu ki hobo L. So be problem ko solve khalam thakai ne be formula kanangan S mane behai jahi by sum of the n term, n hal jahi by number of term, A a first term, L a last term. So here is the question. Solution number 1, 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus ... plus 84. So question to dia ase 7 etu. So for this AP, for this given AP, here A equal to 7, here A equal to 7, that means what? A1, A or A1. Here A2 equal to how much? 10 1 by 2. Again A3 equal to this one 14. Here this is what? AN, that means what? Number of term, AN, or we can write L, that is what? Last term equal to 84. Now to find out the sums of given AP, we need to know the value of n, isn't it? N, here we don't know the value of n. A, here we got the value of A so much 7, L is given 84, but we don't know the value of n, right? So a sum to ulabo hole ama ki value lagibo, n or value ami janibo lagibo, jehetu yat n or value nai, A ase kiman 7 ase, L dia ase 84. So ami agon n or value ulabo lagibo, n or man to ulai lobo lagibo. N ni value ko jeng be boron ko nalangan, S bokhon thai n ni value ko nangan, A ni ko nangan, L ni ko nangan. To n ni gaya A ni dongo, L ni dongo, to n ko bokhon nalangan. So to find out the value of n, again we need to know the value of D, common difference. So here common difference D equal to, formula is what? A2 minus A1. What is A2? It is this one, 10 1 by 2 minus 7. Now this is in mixed fraction, right? We have to break this mixed fraction in improper fraction. Since it is in mixed fraction, we have to write this in improper fraction. So 10 to the 20 plus 1, it is almost 21 by 2 minus 7. It to mixed fraction ase to improper fraction convert koribo lagibo. So it to keneke korim 10 to the 20 aru plus 1 kiman hobo 21 by 2. We mix out dong montham janan dong because that's an improper fraction langan 10 to the 20 plus 121 by 2. After taking the LCM, we'll get 2. It is what? 21 minus 7 to the 14. 21 minus 14, it is 7 by 2. Now we got the value of D. It is how much? 7 by 2. It is D value paisu kiman 7 by 2. D ni value kuman by 7 by 2. Now since we know AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D, by using this formula we have to first find out the value of n. A formula to use kori ami n or man uliabo lagibo prothom. Be formula ke use kalam na n ni value ko bokhon ranche. Now this implies AN. What is AN in the given AP? AN is how much? 84. Now put here 84. AN or man to given hobo 84. A how much? A is 7 plus, we don't know the value of n, so n will remain as it is, n minus 1. D is how much? 7 by 2. This implied 84. If we bring this 7 in the left hand side, it will be minus 7. Next n minus 1, 7 by 2. It is 77. Next n minus 1, 7 by 2. Now next step, this implied 77. Now bring this 7 by 2 in the left hand side. It will be 2 by 7 n minus 1. Next 7 11 is 77, so the remaining is what? 11 to the 22 equal to n minus 1. So this implied 22. If we bring this minus 1 in the left hand side, it will be plus 1 equal to n. So this implied 23, n equal to how much? 23. Now we got a value of n, it is how much? 23. Solve kora to jani bai sobe. Value to ami put kori loisu a n 84, a 7, n to najano, n to eneke thakibo, n minus 1, d value kiman ase 7 by 2. Value ko put khalam by তাৰপিছত 7 টো ইফালে আনলে কি হ'ব -7 সো n - 1 7 by 2 এটো মাইনাস কৰা পাছত কিমান পাম 77 ইকুৱেল টু n - 1 7 by 2 এতিয়া আমি 7 by 2 টো ইফালে লৈ আহিলে কিমান হ'ব এটো 2 by 7 হ'ব যেটো এটো ইনটু আছে ফ্ৰেকশন আছে যদি ফ্ৰেকশন টো ইফালে লৈ আহিম কিটো কি হ'ব ৰিভাৰ্স হ'ব ৰেচিপ্ৰকেল হ'ব সো 7 11 is 77 into 2 number 22 equal to n - 1 আকৌ -1 টো ইফালে আহিলে কিমান হ'ব +1 সো n equal to 1 পালো 23. So this is not our final solution. Now we have to find out the value of s by using this formula, right? So here is the final solution, this one. S equal to n by 2 a plus l. Now put all the values. Here n is how much? 23 by 2. A means this one 7 plus l. L means how much? This one 84. It is final solution ulam. Final solution ulabole formula to hobo s equal to n by 2 a plus l. Ita n or value janu kiman 23, a er value kiman hobo 7, l or value kiman 84. Final solution bolon thakai formula base agan n ni value masang kan 23, a masang han dong 7, l dong 84. After solving this we'll get into this one how much? After adding these two number we'll get 91. Now next 23 into 91, it is 2093 divided by 2. Now divide 2093 by 3. If we divide this, we'll get 10461 by 2. So this is the final solution. This is the final solution. Or here we can write Sn, right? Sn. Here Sn means what? 23. So S23 is what? 10461 by 2. So this is the final solution. This is 23. So the final solution is from here to up to here. Final solution hobo yar pura iman loke hobo. Formula Sn likhibo pare Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l value put korar pasot jodi ami solve kori jam final solution to kiman pam 2093 by 2 divide korar pasot ki pam 1046 half. Final solution is again question number 2. Roman number 1 is solution is again 25 is same. This is the final solution. Next Roman number 2 given 34 32 30 dot 10. So for this AP A equal to first term is what? 34, A2 is 32, again A3 is 30, again AN equal to L equal to how much? 10. A2 A1 hobo, A2 hobo, A3 hobo, aru A2 last term L নহলে কি লিখিম AN. বিও A জাগান A2 জাগান A3 জাগান last term আছে জাগান AN মানে L equal to মানে জাগান N. Now since AN equal to A plus N minus 1D, from this relation we have to find out the value of N. This implied now AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. From this relation we have to find out the value of N. Here AN is how much? 10 equal to A given 34 plus N we don't know, N minus 1 will remain same, D. Oh sorry, we have to find out the value of D, isn't it? So let's find the value of D here. D equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 is how much? A2 is 32 minus A1 this one. A1 equal to A, it is 34. It is 32 minus 34, it is what? Minus 2. So we got the value of D here. So D is how much? Minus 2. ইয়াৰ পৰা যদি n ওলাব হলে কি ভ্যালু জানিব লাগিব, d এর ভ্যালু জানিব লাগিব, সেই কাৰণে আমি ইয়াত d ভ্যালু উলাই লব লাগিব. d ইকুয়াল টু কিমান? 32 minus 34, ইটো কেন হ'ব -2. Now this implied 10. If we bring 34 this side, it will be minus 34. 34 equal to n minus 1 minus 2. This implied minus 24. Minus 24 equal to n minus 1 minus 2. This implied minus 24 minus 2 equal to n minus 1. this implied minus minus cancel. 2 12 are 24, n minus 1. This implied 12 plus 1 equal to n. So n equal to 13, right? Etu buji paisa sobe. Ami ki korilu 34 to ifallo hele kiman hobo minus 34, n minus 1 minus 2. Etu minus korle kiman pam? 10 minus 34 kiman pam? Minus 24. So n minus 1 minus 2. Again minus 2 to into hoy ase. So into 2 ifale lo hele ki hobo divide. So minus 2 to tolo thakibo minus minus cancel. Etu cancel korle kiman pam? 2 12 ja 24 minus 1. Aku minus 1 to ifalo hele kiman hobo plus 1. So n equal to kiman hobo 13. बुझि पाइছো बयको बुझि खासिगे ना 34 के इजाला बनाइन थाखाय मा जाखो minus 34 n minus 1 minus 2. So 10 minus 34 मा सांजागोन minus 24 n minus 1. So minus 2 into जानान दं into के बिसाला बा मा जागोन divide minus 2 minus minus cancel. 2 12 जा मा सांजागोन 24 n minus 1 आरो minus 1 के फल इजाला बा मा जागोन plus 1. n equal to मा समान के जागोन 13. Now we have to calculate the final solution by using the formula. Again, since we know Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. Now put the values of n. What is n? N means what? N means instead of n we can write 13. 13 by 2. What is a? A is given here. A is what? 34 plus l. This one l is how much? 10. Right here 10. Value to put kori mami n or 30 baham 13 13. A mane hol 34. L kiman dia ase 10. So 13 by 2. After adding this we'll get 34 plus 10 kiman hobo 44, right? Now 13 by 2 into 44, 2 22 is 44. After multiplying 13 into 22 we'll get 286. So S13 equal to how much? 286. So this is the sum of first 13 term. It will final solution. So final solution is from here to up to here. Next, Roman number 3 for this AP. Here A equal to A1 equal to minus 5. Again A2 equal to minus 8. Again A3 equal to minus 11. AN or L equal to minus 230. First we have to find out the value of D. Here D equal to A2 minus A1. This equal to A2 how much? Minus 8. Formula is minus. Again A1 is how much? Minus 5. So this equal to minus 8 minus minus plus 5 is equal to minus 8 plus 5 plus minus minus 3. For this AP A man kiman hobo minus 5. A man hamas any value hamas minus 5. A2 hobo minus 8. A2 minus 8. A3 hobo minus 11. A3 minus 11. AN or L kiman hobo minus 230. AN are L hamas minus 230. So itia prothom D value labo lagibo. A2 minus A1 use kori D value bolong green formula jagan A2 minus A1. A2 adongo minus 8 are A1 adongo minus 5. So minus 8 minus minus plus 5. So minus plus minus 8 or 5 cancel korle kiman thakibo 3. 85 thango jagan 3. Since AN equal to A plus AN minus 1D, from this relation we have to find out the value of N. By relation pricing N bokona laganangan hetu relation pra ami equilibrium N. So AN or value kiman ase minus 230 equal to A value ase kiman minus 5 plus N najano N to enike thakibo D how much? Minus 3. This implied minus 230. If we bring this minus 5 this side it will be plus 5 equal to N minus 1 minus 3. Now minus 230 plus 5 it is what? Minus 225 equal to N minus 1 minus 3. This implied minus 225. If we bring this minus 3 here the main sign is what? Into, then it will be divide, right? It will become divide. So minus 3, if we bring this minus 3 in the left hand side it will become divide. So we have to write this minus 3 in the denominator. So it is minus 3 and minus 1. Next minus minus get cancelled. So 222 divided by 3 it is. So 375 is 225 and minus 1. So this implied 75. If we bring minus 1 this side it will be plus 1 equal to N. Now we got the value of N. It is what? 76 equal to N. বুজি পালা এইটো সবে ভ্যালুটো পুট কৰি আমি n ৰ ভ্যালু উলিয়াম এতিয়া -230 পৰা 5 কেনসেল কৰিলে কিমান পাম 225 -3 টো ইফালে হলে কিমান হ'ব ডিভাইড সো ডিভাইড কৰাৰ পাছত কিমান পাম 75 -1 টো ইফালে হলে +1 হ'ব n ৰ ভ্যালু কিমান পালো 76 বুজি গাইছে নিকো সব जों ভ্যালু को पुट खालामबाय दायो जों n नि भ्यालुखौ बखनसै -5 को इजा लाबो ग्रोबाय सो -230 + 5 को माइनस खालामबा मा मोनगोन 225 बेयाव नेगेटिव साइन थागोन मोनसे सो -3 को इजा लाबा मेन साइन इनटु जानानै दं माइनस को इजा लाबा मा जागोन डिवाइड लेनांगोन सो माइनस माइनस कैंसिल आरो इखौ डिवाइड खालामबा मा मोनगोन 75 n -1 सो -1 को इजा लाबा मा जागोन +1 n = 76 नाउ by using the SN formula we have to calculate the final value since SN = n by 2 a plus l here this implies n means how much 76 then put the value of n is what 76 by 2 a is how much here a is given -5 and l is given -230 so a is given -5 since our formula is plus and the value of l is what -230 so we have to give -230 within bracket ইয়াত আমি কি কৰিলো ভ্যালু পুট কৰিলো n ৰ ভ্যালু কিমান আছে 76 n ৰ ঠাইত কিমান বহাইছো 76 l ভ্যালু দিয়া আছে -5 l ৰ ভ্যালু দিয়া আছে -230 ভ্যালু को বহাই যাবাই जों দাই সলভ খালামছে नाउ 76 divided by 2 it is what 2 3 is 6 2 8 is 16 -5 plus minus -230 this equal to 38 this equal to 38 now this one minus sign will remain negative minus it is plus it is 235 so etu ki hobo minus sign to negative thakibo number to ami plus koribo lagibo kiman hobo 230 plus 5 235 e plus kalam ngan minus thaba sign minus thagan are number ko kalam ngan plus now 38 minus 38 into 235 now next we have to multiply these two numbers 38 into 235 it is minus it is 8930 so this is the final solution so the final solution for Roman number 3 is from here to up to here so in this way we have to solve this it all final solution so I mean solve koribo lagibo first we have to calculate the value of d and from this relation we have to find out the value of n after calculating the values last we have to find out the value of s n term so today that's all thank you